everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. Actually, I'm going to step out as the park model princess today. I don't know. This is going to be part of my May clearance sale as well. We jumped into the park model business earlier this year, but then we had to pause for licensing. So now that we have that all squared away, the two park models that I have here, they gotta go because they have last year's stuff. So I'm gonna clearance these out and they are available immediately. This first one is called the Holmes. I'll do a video on the other one tomorrow, but this baby is so super cute. It's got, I wanna say 9.5 foot sidewalls. And please bear with me because I'm new to the park model scene. So I'm not as knowledgeable about park models as I am HUD homes, but it is super cute. Let's get inside and check it out. The entrance is going to be on the side here, and you're going to enter through a sliding patio door. I love that this patio door is gridded. A while ago, we had gridded windows as well, but those kind of went by the wayside. And the nice thing is check it out. These grids are in between the panes. So if you've ever been in an older manufactured home, you'd have to wipe the grids, but now you don't have to do that. Thank God. That's what my young 7-year-old son would say. Thank God for that. So windows, windows, windows. They're everywhere in this home. We've got the triangle shaped windows over here. We've added some nice wooden blinds. Those are super cute, and a very nice trim going everywhere. So on the bottom, oh my gosh, Meow Meow has to get in here. Come on. This cat follows me everywhere when I'm doing videos. Okay, so this is the living space, the living area. Windows at the top, windows all along the side, very nice. And we've added a fireplace with a TV mount. And what are park models for? Well, they're built to RVIA standards, so you can really take these things anywhere. And the installation is not regulated, and anybody can really set them up. It's basically, you put blocks at each of the corners and set them up that way. Now, there's AC that is underneath the home that you would want to install, but the hookups are very minimal. So the thing about these park model homes is you don't want to drag them around like an RV though. You want to have a place for them to stay, like on a lake or in a campground where you know everybody and you're all friends. That's where most people end up putting these homes. And by the way, the park model customers, you guys are classy. I tell you, I love meeting with you guys because you know your stuff and you know what you want and you're very to the point and you like the nicer things. I love that about you. You can add ceramic tile, rounded edges on the countertops, nice handles, gas stoves. I mean, look at these. These are full-size appliances that you would find in a HUD home, actually. You're going to find in a park model. So heading down the hallway is where we're going to see the bathroom. And look all along the way, we've got storage everywhere. That's what's so great. I mean, when you're in one of these park models, it looks like and feels like you're in an RV, but this is really an RV to the next level, right? Coming into the bathroom, plenty of storage in here, a nice sink space. Now, the one thing that I don't ever see, well, not ever because the other one has it, but in this particular one, no mirror to look at your pretty self, but a full-size tub shower combination. That's nice. And right here into the love cabin, you're gonna have your main bedroom. 399 square feet, that's always the largest. Oh, here's a mirror. Hi. I'm the Mobile Home Mama, Christina. That's my real name. All right, so plenty of space. I want to say this is a queen bed. Is it? No, probably a full. I remember buying the comforters for this. And then let me jump in here so that you can also see, yeah, lots of storage over there and a place for the TV. All right, last but not least, we're going to head up the stairs. Meow Meow's pregnant as could be. See her? And so the stairs are really a place where you're going to stick all the kiddos, all the cousins, you know, everybody that's coming over to hang out, everybody who's not going to sleep in the main master bedroom. So here we go. Windows up here, and it even has a window air conditioner to help with the air conditioning because the AC is underfloor air conditioning that shoots up through the house. So sometimes it's tough for it to get all the way up here. So there's a window air up here. More windows and blinds, and easily you could line this baby with, I don't know, I'm going to say 2 twins here, a full here, plenty of sleep space. But you know, who's really in these, ouch, in these park models when you're out enjoying nature. People use these for vacation stuff, right? You could live in one if you wanted to. But come and talk to me because I really need these off the lot so I can bring in current models and new models. But these are beautiful. All right. May is the time to buy. I'm having a spring kickoff sale and everything on the lot is going to be on clearance. So give me a call, 260-383-1009, www.factorydirectmobilehomes.com. As always, thanks for watching.